We'll guide you through how to make an Instagram account private. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When your Instagram account is private, it means that other people won't be able to go and see your account unless they go and follow you, and you have to go and review your followers as well, so not anyone can just go and follow you and start seeing it. To get started by doing this, you need to come to your profile page, so tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Then what you need to do is go to the top right and press the 3 lines. Here, you then need to go and scroll down and go and find who can see your content, and you'll see account privacy. And what you can then do is switch on private account. When you do this, you're going to go and get this pop-up about what's going to go and change, and you can confirm your decision by pressing switch to private. That's it. You can then go and start reviewing your followers. To go and do this as well, you can press the home button, press notifications in the top right and see follow requests there. That's it, your account is now private. You can see the padlock in the top left on your profile page as well. If you found this useful, then leave a like.